Enjoy the view of this 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Silverado 2500 HD has the brains and brawn to deliver smart, dependable work performance in today's highly connected, ever-demanding environment. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, V8 engine, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control. Relax and enjoy the confidence of knowing you have the power you need to get the job done. Get into the Silverado 2500 HD.